Dumelang landlords, this is your girl Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. Now my landlords, Promise Makunyani and the Owami saga, right? Promise Makunyani has launched her book, right? And remember, prior to her launching her book, there was a situation where Owami came and announced that Girl is now a divorced woman. And a lot of people mocked her and they made Ukuhlekisa ngaye and stuff like that because she was my husband this, my husband that. And as a woman, you cannot say my husband this, my husband that, because you don't know what your husband is going to do. So even if you love your husband, you have to love your husband in secret so that unganyatheli abanye amakhons abantu, right? So with that said, Promise launched her book. She did not respond to anyone. Like, she did not respond to a single individual about her marital affairs, about her marital standing, about anything that talks to her marriage and where she is at currently. Now, with that said, a lot of people went like AWOL and they were not happy with that decision that Promise had done because they believed Promise owed them a response to say, why has the marriage ended? Now, this is what I wanted to say. Owami is in the center of this whole thing, ne? And people are like, yeah, Owami this, Owami that. Guys, remember Owami is bleeding, ne? The difference between how Owami is bleeding and how Promise is bleeding is that Promise has a support system. I believe her parents are there, none. And Owami does not have a mom. So if her mom was here, I believe that would be the person that she's going to, and she will be confiding in her mom, and there are things or stories that she would not have told. I still stand even today to say somebody was going to tell Big Guy's story because we were all curious of the whole allegations that were brought here, the witchcraft, like all the things that were said. Now we all wanted to hear Big Guy speaking and sharing his side, solemnly based on the information that Owami was giving to us. That's when we were interested to know about this guy. But now, Promise Uritima the juice. Girl is not telling us what's happening, what happened. All that she explained was she does not want to talk about her husband because according to her knowledge, they are still married. However, they have changed their marriage contract and they are no longer married in committee of property. Yes, they are separated currently, living in separate spaces. However, according to the law, she is still married. In an event where Makunyani falls down today, she will be the first person that is called. That's the part that people need to understand. Separation does not mean divorce, and separation does not mean that a person is single. You are married until you have your divorce decree in your hand. Moving on. Now, the reason why Owami is dragging this, according to my understanding, I might be wrong, ne? According to my understanding, it's because Girl feels Uguti Promise owes us something. In a sense, Promise needs to say something, or there needs to be a back and forth, so that at least she knows the basis of her story is true or what is happening. Now, Promise did say she was disappointed with Makunyani and his actions because she was protecting Isdima Sake, considering that they have children. But we also Makunyani agana Sdima, right? Agana Sdima, which hurts me because as a man, that is the first thing that you would want to protect, considering he is dating now and he might want to be in another relationship. Now, the reason why there's social craze and people going this side and this side, people that are understanding Owami, it's because they feel Owami has the reason to hold on to the grudge. But I still believe in life you strip yourself out of something. Promise said something profound. He said, I don't cheat back. Not because I cannot, but because I value myself that much. And there is one me. There is one Promise Makunyani. If I step out of character because of my husband cheated, then it speaks to who I am. And remember, maybe this might have been a shade to Owami because Owami came publicly and said she cheated back when Big Guy cheated. Yes, she cheated back when Big Guy cheated. Now, it means she had the capability to cheat, but she wanted to prove to Big Guy to say, I can also do it, and therefore here's a slap in the face. But Promise is saying, I will not give a person a slap in the face ngami. Like nka se tseye bonna ba ka ka betha motho ka bona mo sefatlhegong. So I don't know if that was a clapback or what was happening. However, with everything said and done, Promise has handled everything with so much grace and so much steamer because Girl has a very huge platform where when she can tell us the nitty gritties of her marriage, we would automatically see Uguti, this guy is bad, you know? And I like the fact that, yes, she is hurt, but she is saying there are days and moments where this guy was good to me, and there are things that I can mention that have been good. We all know that when most women come on TikTok and do divorce content, it's not most of them that can say, but over and above, these were the good things that he did. You know, I think Uguti Utandega is one of them when she was explaining her story, and I think that's why we got hooked to say, yo, ugel bekachaza ukuthi ugayenza so, ukuthi yambamba a relationship ibe right, and then there comes a plot twist, you know. But she acknowledged to say, in everything, there are things that made me stay in that marriage, which were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Also, another statement that I think is going to upset a lot of people still is that Promise Makunyane said there are a lot of deal breakers for a lot of people. Cheating is not one for me, and I'm not here to dwell out to speak about that because I know that it might be made a big deal. But just because something is a big deal to you, it does not mean Uguti it's a big deal to me. And it's a lot of kidding. It's one of the points that social media activists do not understand. Uguti, just because when you believe like the sky is blue and I come and say the sky is white and that's how I see it, then you must accept my truth as well. And it saddens me because it's easy for everybody else to accept and understand when a person says, no, I don't relate with this gender, I'm this gender. But when it comes to validating another woman's feelings, it seems like it becomes difficult. But with me, in conclusion, I would love to see Owami moving on, and not necessarily so that she can stop talking about Promise. No, I don't know Promise from a bar of soap, but so that she can claim her power back. Because at this point, it looks like Promise has her by the balls, for a lack of a better word, and it does not look nice. Oami is a powerhouse on her own, and I feel that this power and this attention could be diverted in other areas, and her greatness could thrive outside the content. Yeah, but I think the closure that Owami needs, if Mr. Makunyane is listening, please go and do an interview with Owami, Mr. Makunyane. Mr. Makunyane, please go and do an interview with Owami. Not because you have a lot of things to say or not because of whatever, but mainly because I feel Uguti it would be the one nail that would cover everything and that would be truly appreciated. So with that said, what do you think can resolve the whole saga? What do you think can be that one thing that makes Owami move away from this? Because the way Upromise is acting, she is acting as if lo uyagula, like ushwa ikhanda, like ushwa ingqondo or something, because she is not entertaining the noise, and she did say ukuthi yes it hurts, yes I feel whatever, but responding is not an option. And that is the advice that Owami used to give when I loved Owami's content during COVID. And she would always say, I wish these celebrities do not respond when we speak about them, because the more they respond, the more content they give, the more contradiction they show, the more they show Uguti social media is above them or controls them. So with that said, do you think Promise is right by keeping quiet? And do you think it's finally time for Owami to let this thing go and lay it to rest? This is your girl, Disable D. Please do like, share, and subscribe. I love you. Bye.